everyone, my name is Libby and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a perfect white smile at home in 5 minutes. Keep on watching if you want to see how I'm doing that and the results. All you need for this DIY teeth whitening is 2 ingredients that you probably have at home anyway and 5 minutes of your time. So let's start. The first ingredient that we will use today will be strawberries. We will use strawberries because the strawberry contain malic acid that help remove stain on your teeth. Also, the seeds are like an exfoliation for your teeth because they remove surface debris. The second ingredient that we will use today will be baking soda. Baking soda have a natural whitening purposes, which is why it's a popular ingredient in toothpaste. Now I will show you how to make our teeth whitening potion. First, we will pick 1 strawberry. 1 medium strawberry will be enough and will do the work. If you have small ones, I recommend using 2. Make sure you cut the leaves off the top. After we picked 1 strawberry, we need to wash it very good. Make sure there isn't dirt or bugs on it. After we finished washing it, we will put it on some paper towel and let it dry for a bit. Now, after washing the strawberry and let it dry for a bit, put it in a bowl and start smashing it. By smashing it, we are activating the malic acid. After getting the liquidy texture that we want, we will add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and start to mix it until it is well blended. While we are blending it, our mixer is supposed to start to poem, and this is how we know that it's almost ready. Now that everything is well mixed in there, it should look like this, and it's time to apply this on our teeth. For our next step, we will use our toothbrush and a timer. You can use any kind of toothbrush that you have. However, if you're using an electric toothbrush, leave it turned off, or if you have sensitive or gum mode, that's also an option, but just make sure you're keeping it on low power setting. Set your timer for 2.5 minutes. Now start brushing the mixer very gently on your teeth. After brushing it for 2.5 minutes, you will need to leave it on for another 2.5 minutes. We don't want to leave it for too long, so we won't hurt our enamel layer. After letting it rest for another 2.5 minutes, we will finish with the very last step, which is brushing our teeth with some regular toothpaste. And that's it, guys. This was my DIY teeth whitening. I'm doing it whenever I have some special events or if I feel like my teeth are starting to get more yellow. I hope I helped you. Let me know if you're satisfied with the results. I'm pretty happy with mine. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you very soon in my next video.